Hello, my friend. Today, we will delve deeper into the practice of shadow work. This journey is about embracing the parts of yourself that are often hidden, your inner shadows. It's a path to understanding and self-compassion. Find a comfortable and quiet place where you can sit or lie down undisturbed. Close your eyes gently, and let's begin to connect with your inner world. Start by focusing on your breath. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and exhale slowly. With each breath, allow yourself to relax more deeply. Feel the tension leaving your body as you breathe out. As you continue to breathe slowly and calmly, imagine yourself in a safe and serene space. This can be anywhere you feel secure and at peace. Visualize this space in as much detail as you can. In this space, you notice a presence. This is an aspect of your shadow self. It may appear as a figure, a symbol, or even an emotion. Take a moment to observe it. What does it look like? How does it make you feel? Approach this aspect of your shadow with an open heart. It's a part of you that has been ignored or hidden away. It's time to listen to what it has to say. You might ask your shadow self, "What do you need me to understand? What are you here to teach me?" Listen for any messages or feelings that come up. Acknowledge these insights with gratitude. Remember, my friend, every part of you has value and purpose, including these hidden shadows. Now, visualize yourself embracing this shadow aspect. With this embrace, feel a sense of acceptance and compassion for yourself. You are bringing light to the shadows, understanding to the unknown. Take a few more deep breaths, my friend. Each breath bringing you closer to a state of wholeness and peace. It's time to gently end this meditation. Start to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Feel the surface beneath you, hear the sounds around you. When you are ready, open your eyes. I encourage you to take some time to reflect on this experience. What did you learn about your shadow self? How can you integrate this understanding into your daily life? Thank you, my friend, for taking this step in your journey of self-discovery. Remember, Embracing your shadows is a powerful act of self-love and acceptance. Until our next meditation, take care and be kind to yourself. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, take care. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you'd like, you can share your feelings in the comments. See you soon.